And welcome to our reporting season spotlight, your shortcut to the results that matter. Well, News Corp has posted a 5% increase in second quarter revenue to $2.24 billion. That excludes its Foxtel results. The media giant's results primarily by Australian residential revenues at REA Group, as well as book publishing and Dow Jones segments. Net income in the quarter surging 58% to $306 million, with second quarter EBITDA up 20%. At $478 million. News media revenue falling 2% on the prior year, driven by lower revenues from the transfer of third-party printing contracts to News UK's joint venture with DMG Media, and lower advertising revenue. Circulation and subscription revenues were flat compared with the previous period. And Chief Executive Robert Thomson described it as a fruitful quarter and said the sudden rise of DeepSeek is a salutary lesson for all AI players, saying we believe DeepSeek lacks the immediacy of trusted news and content will be king in the world of AI. So the company reporting adjusted EPS of 33 cents compared with 27 cents in the prior period. And that market response has certainly been positive, up more than 6% in today's trade. Meanwhile, of subsidiary REA, its chief executive, Owen Wilson, will retire after a 10-year stint at the business, 6 years at the helm. REA reported a 20% rise in first half revenue to $873 million. Net profit up 26% to $314 million. Interim dividend of $1.10 a share, fully franked, declared. That's an increase of 26%. Its shares also rising despite the loss of its chief executive. Beach Energy has posted a 5% lift in first half sales revenue to $990 million, underlying profit up 20% to $587 million. However, Beach has narrowed its guidance range for the full year to between 18.5 and 20.5 million barrels of oil, without explaining the change. That would imply consensus downgrades according to Jarden Securities, which reiterated its lower price target of $1.42 on the stock. Interim dividend of 3 cents a share, fully franked. That's a 50% increase on the previous. Pexa has more than doubled its impairment forecast for FY25 to a range of between $35 and $40 million. Its previous guidance was between $15 and $20 million. It's also announced that Chief Executive Les Vance will resign next month. And Magellan Financial has posted total funds under management at $39.1 billion as of the end of January, up from $38.6 billion in December. Magellan saying both retail and institutional flows were flat for the month of January. Quite unsure why that share price has not moved there. To the broker moves, turning to those, UBS has upgraded Wesfarmers to neutral, saying Bunny's growth is underestimated. It anticipates a rebound in sales. The broker also raising its price target to $76 a share. Macquarie has lifted its price target on Amcor to $18.20 a share, citing encouraging EPS guidance despite first half earnings and net profit after tax coming in slightly below expectations. Amcor remaining an outperform for Macquarie. And Citi has lifted its rating for BWP Trust from sell to neutral on an operating momentum. It says the stock is fairly priced and its price target is set at $3.40 a share. Looking ahead, we can look forward to results from Charter Hall, Long WALE REITs, Nick Scali and Lithium Energy.